No fewer than 4,415 people from 41 countries across the world took part in the immersive online international faculty development workshop organized by Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, MAAUN. Titled Innovative Pedagogy Tools and Techniques for Effective Teaching and Learning, the workshop was designed to sharpen skills and discover innovative pedagogical tools with renowned international faculties. The virtual event, which featured 3 eminent MAAUN international adjunct faculties, offered valuable insights and practical strategies for educators seeking to enhance students' engagement and learning outcomes. The President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Mohammad Israr, stated this in his opening remarks at the occasion held at the President Conference Hall on Thursday. As part of the renewed effort to foster knowledge and scholarship, the seminar was intended to poise the scales of balance between classroom teaching and hands-on learning. In his paper titled Effective Classroom Management, Professor Mohammad Zubair Khan of the Taiba University, Medina, Saudi Arabia, stressed the need for using a classroom environment. In his paper titled Effective Classroom Management, Professor Mohammad Zubair Khan of Taiba University, Medina, Saudi Arabia, stressed the need for using a classroom environment that is conducive to student success and learning. He urged faculty members to always address isolated discipline problems individually instead of punishing an entire class, as the latter can hurt relationship with students who are on task and thereby jeopardize other classroom management efforts. Teaching is a very important job, and once you get your classroom management skills in order, you will be enjoying teaching more and will have a more productive teaching career, he said. Professor Khan, who spoke at length on the topic, tasked the participants to demonstrate acceptable behavior and treat their students with the same respect they demand. Other papers presented were change management tools for effective leadership in classroom and learning through storytelling by Dr. Aboud Hamid Saif Al-Sawafi, CEO of Al-Marif Consultancy, Sultanate of Oman, and Dr. Fabio of Carbone of the University of Northampton, United Kingdom, respectively. In her closing remarks, Head Human Resource Unit of MAAUN, Hajia Maimuna Saidu Bello, expressed her heartfelt gratitude to the presenters for their outstanding presentation, which have enriched the discourse in innovative pedagogy.